Hey everyone, Geoffrey here, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive into the latest addition to Vivo's lineup, the Vivo V40 Lite 5G. Sleek, lightweight, and packed with features, this device promises to bring 5G performance to the masses without compromising on style and substance. But does it deliver? Let's find out. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, click that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. The first thing you'll notice is the Vivo V40 Lite's ultra slim profile, coming in at just 7.8mm thick. The flat plastic back with a matte finish makes it feel premium in hand, while the gradient colors are an eye-catcher. The 6.67-inch OLED display dominates the front, offering vibrant colors and deep contrast for an immersive visual experience. Vivo's design language here strikes a balance between elegance and modernity. The 6.67-inch OLED panel on the V40 Lite is a treat for media lovers. With Full HD+, 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution with a peak brightness of 1800 nits, it delivers crisp visual with punchy colors and excellent contrast. Whether you're binge watching your favorite series or scrolling through social media, the visual remains sharp and fluid. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth interactions, especially during gaming or fast-paced scrolling. Now under the hood, it is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, a 4nm chipset with a clock speed of octa-core 2.2 GHz. The V40 Lite ensures that you're getting reliable mid-range performance, paired with 12GB of RAM and 2 storage options, 256 and 512GB of internal storage. This device handles daily tasks and moderate gaming with ease. The software experience is seamless too, thanks to FunTouch OS 14 running on top of Android 14. The interface is user-friendly, customizable, and packed with handy features like extended RAM, where 12GB of storage can be used as virtual RAM. Now moving on with the camera, Vivo has always been strong in the camera department, and the V40 Lite is no different. The phone boasts a 50MP main sensor and 2MP depth camera along with ring LED flash. The camera setup delivers bright, detailed shots in well-lit conditions. Night mode improves low-light photos, while video recording limited only to 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is a drawback for me with its price. The 32MP front camera is no slouch either, offering crisp and vibrant selfies with natural skin tones. Vivo's AI beautification tweaks add subtle enhancement, perfect for social media sharing. Despite its slim design, the Vivo V40 Lite packs a 5000 mAh battery, which should last a full day of moderate use. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working on the go, this phone won't leave you stranded. Plus, with a whopping 80 watts plus charging, you can get from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. Say goodbye to long charging waits. Now here is my final thoughts. The Vivo V40 Lite 5G is a great all-rounder, from its sleek design and bright display to its capable cameras and fast charging battery. This phone ticks a lot of boxes for mid-range devices. If you're looking for a phone that combines performance, style, and value, the Vivo V40 Lite 5G is definitely worth considering. You can get this device with a starting price tag of 1,099 dirhams for 256 storage and 1,349 dirhams for 512GB of internal storage. Alright, that's it for today's review of the latest Vivo V40 Lite 5G. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.